Hello everyone. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Professor Khushbu Sodi. So in today's lecture, we're going to see about what is overit hyperversion, overit nodes, management server overit. Okay. So let's discuss. Okay. So here, overit is a free open source. Okay. So here, okay. So what is overit? So overit is a free open source virtualization management platform. It allows centralized management of virtual machines, computer storage, and networking resources from an easy-to-use web-based front-end with platform-independent access. So overit nodes is a minimum operating system based on Cent operating system that is designed to provide a simple method for setting up physical machine to act as a hyperversion in OVID environment. OVID. So hyperversion OVID nodes is a management OVID. Okay. So hyperversion. So node is a minimal operating system based on central operating system. That is a designing to provide a simple method for setting up a physical machine by act as a hyperversion in OVID environment. So is OVID is a hyperversion computing of power. OVID is an open source distributed virtualization solution designed to manage your entire enterprise infrastructure. OVID uses the trusted KVM hyperversion and is built upon several other communities projects, including clusters. Then you can say. So, what is the OVID virtualization? So, OVID virtualization is a free open source virtualization management platform. It allows centralized management of virtual machines, compute storage, and networking resource. So here, networking resource from a easy to use web-based front-end with platform independent access. So what is OVID node? OVID node is a minimum operating system based on Cent operating system that is designed to provide a simple method for setting up a physical machine to act as a hyperversion in OVID environment. So OVID is an open source distributed virtualization solution. So designed to manage your entire enterprise infrastructure. So OVID uses the trusted KVM hyperversion. KVM we have studied in previous lecture only. So and it's built upon several other community projects, including you can say clusters. Okay, so here. So what is the short noise means? Let's discuss about OVID is a free open source virtualization management platform. It founded by Red Hat's community project on which Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization is based. It allows centralized management of virtual machine components, storage, and networking resource from easy to use web-based front-end and platform independent access. The OVID architecture, you can say that need to know a component platform and their purpose. It is specially implemented when you can say OVID consists of several components from which is each responsible for a part of the work. The OVID platform consists of following three logical components. It is control unit used to administer tasks related to the management of the global configuration of the entire virtualization infrastructure, the management. So this is about OVID engine. Okay, so here the management virtual mechanism storage network setting. OVID engine is a set of the software and services that implement functionality to central control infrastructure. This control unit platform core and provide interface for other infrastructure components. Using OVID engine interface, administrator can run whole setup So with the help of Ovid engine, we achieve one of the main goal, Ovid centralization management. So nodes, it compute virtualization units that directly runs the virtual machine. Virtualization host, that is all virtualization nodes, are server using Linux 64 with the install demo and virtual desktop and server manager services. Storage and network infrastructure. This can be direct or network attached storage or high performance storage area network. So disk capacity units hold virtual machine image and images and virtual machine images and operating system installation images. So network devices such as switches provide connectivity between engine nodes and storage. So Ovid engine provide the following function like full life cycle management, then authentication with LDP provide active directory of okay, then network configuration management is used for the certain of logical network and connecting them to the host. So goals of this is to build the community around all level of virtual stacks. It provides to release the project on well-defined schedule. It provides, you can say, for user to develop the communication and collections. So, open challenge of cloud computing here. So let us divide into challenge of cloud computing with the multiple benefits of implementing cloud computing in all sides. Business cloud computing has become popular trend in the market. To put in a simple word, cloud computing is nothing but moving on permissions computing to that internet. It saves both time and money. People around the global get access. Okay, so people around the global get access to an open pool of resources like apps, services, servers, data, and computer hardware. It is made possible entirely by using privately owned cloud or third-party server. It improves the way data is accessed and remove further updates. Also, it minimum amount of administrator is required. Cloud computing also ensures data security, better data storage, increased synchronization between employees, and flexibility. Organizations have become capable of making better decisions to scale and grow. Looking at the, you can say, side of implementing cloud computing, business are rapidly moving towards adopting this technology trends according to gather forecast 90% of business firms will be using cloud computing service by 2022. So all development and potential of cloud computing service, there are multiple challenges of cloud computing services that business face. Here we have compiled a list of challenges of cloud computing that are needed to be take care of maximum capacity of the cloud. Let us get started. So first is a security. So this is the challenges. The topmost concern in investing in cloud services is security issue. In cloud computing, it is because your data gets stored and processed by third party vendor and you cannot see it. Every day or other, you get information about broken authentication. Okay, so hacking, account hacking, data and in particular organization, it makes you little more skeptical. So fortunately, the cloud providers these days have started to put efforts to improve security capability. You can be, you can say verify the if the provider implements a safe user, identify management system and account control procedure. Also sure it implement database security and privacy protocols. So this is a challenge of in cloud computing. The next challenge is password and security. Okay. So this is also another challenge here. We discuss. Okay. So password and security here. As large number of people access your cloud account, it becomes vulnerable. So a large number of people access your cloud account, it becomes vulnerable. Anybody who knows your password or hack into your cloud will be able to access your confidential information. So here the organizations should use multiple level authentication and ensure that password remain protected. Also the password should be modified regularly, especially when particular employee resign and level the organization. Access rights. So the organization account right to username and password should be given. Okay. So third one is cost management. This is also the challenge in cloud computing only, cost management. So here, cloud computing enables you to access applications, software over the fast internet connection. And lets you save on investigating in costly computer hardware software management and maintenance. This makes it affordable, but what is challenging and expensive in turning the organization needs on third-party platform. Another costly affair is the cost of transforming data to public cloud, especially for small business or projects. So lack of expertise is also challenge, lack of expertise. So here, with the increasing workload on cloud technology and continuously improving cloud tools, the management has become difficult. There has been a consistent demand for trained workforce who can deal with cloud computing tools and services. Hence, firms need to train their IT staff to minimize this challenge. Then, internet connectivity. Internet connectivity. So the cloud service are depend on high speed internet connection. Business that are relatively small and face connectivity issues should ideally first invest in a good internet connections so that no downtime happen. It is because internet downtime might worst business losses. Then control or governance. This is also the challenge in cloud computing only. So here, another ethical issue in cloud computing is maintaining proper control over access management and maintenance. There should be dedicate a team to sure that assets used to implement cloud services are used to according to aggregate policy and dedicate procedure. There should be proper maintenance and should that maintain that and that the assets are used to meet your organization goal successfully. Then compliance. Another major risk of cloud computing is maintaining uh, compliance. Compliance, which means a set of rules about what data is allowed to be moved and what should be kept in house to maintain Okay, the organization must follow the respect complaints rules by the various government bodies. Then multiple cloud management, multiple cloud management. So here, companies have started invest in multiple public clouds, multiple private clouds, or combination of both, called hybrid cloud. So this has grown rapidly in recent time. So it has become important to list challenges faced by such organizations and find solution to grow with the trend. Then creating private clouds. Creating private cloud. Implementing an internal cloud is advantageous. This is because all the data remains secure in-house. But the challenge here is that the IT team has built and fixed everything by themselves. Also, the team needs to ensure smooth functioning of the cloud. They need to automate maximum manual tasks. The execution of tasks should be the correct order. So at the moment, it sounds quite difficult to set up the private cloud all by user yourself, but many organizations are planning to do so in the futures. Then performance. So this is also challenge which comes under the cloud only. So here, when your business application move to cloud or third party vendor, so your business perform starts to depend on your provider. As well as another major problem in cloud computing is investing the right cloud services provider. So before investment, you should look for providers with technologies. The performance of the BIS and other cloud-based system are linked to the provider's system, as well as be about choosing the provider and investigate that they have protocol to migrate issue that are arise in real time. So here, my performance also one of the challenge in cloud computing. Then migrations, it's also challenges we can say in cloud computing. Migration. So here, migration is nothing but moving a new application or run application to a cloud. Okay. So in the case of new application, the process is pretty straightforward. But if it is an age-old company application, it becomes tedious. So conducts a survey recently wherein 95% of organizations are moving their application to the cloud. The survey show that most organizations are finding it nightmare. Some notable issues faced. Here are a slow data migration, security challenge in cloud, then computing extensive, then shooting, then application downtime, migration agent, and cloud then cut over complexity. So these are problem faced in migration. So conclusion of this that in the end we will say cloud computing is good platform for business to grow and excel. But at the same time, you should remain while adopting one. Carefully choose your provider. Look for the compliance policies. Okay, compliance policy they follow and that they have proper plan to migrate risks and voluntaries. So creating virtual machine. Here, the creating and starting virtual machine instance. This document explain how to create a virtual machine instance by using boot disk image, a boot disk snapshot or container image. So while creating your virtual machine, you can create one or more disks for it. You can also add more disks to VM after it's created. So while creating a virtual machine, you can also add multiple network interface. Okay. So if you are creating a virtual machine for first time, so here you can using a Linux virtual machine, right? So create virtual machine instance from an image. This section explain how to create virtual machine, public operating system image, custom image, and virtual machine contains bootloader, a boot file system. Okay, so here is a our list is a V management tools. So what is virtual management tools? So virtualization management tools are designed to administrator and operations and process of virtual environment business. So use virtual management tools to resource to variety of machine as well as handle memory location. Solar Windows virtual monitor, a free monitor for virtual VMware, vSphere, and Microsoft Hyper. This system allows you to set capacity threshold that will trigger runs on the Windows server. So Datadog infrastructure, cloud-based monitoring system for server and services that includes free integration that cover the virtualization system. Manage engine op managers, a network and server monitoring system that includes integration for virtual management where and you can say runs on a Windows server and Linux. So virtualization management tools designed to administrator and operation and process. So it is designed for the process, operation, and virtualization environments. Okay. On virtual machine, we have studied in the first lecture only how to create machine in one system, only different types of machines, right? So here now we will see one more practical, that is हाउ टू क्रिएट मीन्स क्लाउड में ही हम लोग एक पासवर्ड एंड आईडी लेंगे, ओके, क्रिएट करेंगे एंड देन वी विल store particular whatever we want. Okay, so no need to log in our mail. Directly we will go to the cloud and we create a password and ID there. Okay, so let's move on. So here, so implementation identify management. So the practical name is study of implementations of identify management of identity management. For this purpose I want to go, so aim is to implement identity management. So objective is that from the experiment study will be able to understand the concept of virtualization and cloud as an infrastructure service, means IS. So learn the techniques and complexity. So here we require software required. Here we want to go, that is results. OnCloud is open source file synchronized and share software for everyone from individual operating the free on cloud servers. Okay, editions. A large enterprise and service provider operating on cloud enterprise subscription on cloud provides safe, secure, and complaint file synchronization complete and sharing the solution on server that you control. You can share one or more files to and folders on your computer and synchronize them with the own cloud server. So यहाँ पे आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, पहले आप लोग ओन क्लाउड सर्वर बनाने के बाद अपनी फाइल फोल्डर्स शेयर कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम हमने मेल से किया था. सो हियर थ्रू इन क्लाउड वी कैन डू इट. ओके, so let's go to do this practical here. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so for this purpose we have to type it what I'm doing here. Okay, then demo HTTPS then demo तो ऑन क्लाउड, बिकॉज हम लोगों को ऑन क्लाउड में अपना अकाउंट बनाना है. ओके, ऑन cloud.org. So we have to send our any apps, then you can say files. Okay, so here, so we create account directly through on cloud. Here we not means directly we create account. We will create now. It takes time. Let it be complete. Then okay, so we got here username. You can see demo and password demo. So username हम लोग type करेंगे demo. Okay, and password demo only. Okay, जैसे कि हम लोगों को दिखा, do not upload sensitive and personal data. The instant. Okay, so here this is used to upload the information here. Okay, so demo and password is given. We have now we will log in. So here to log in this on cloud, we do not use our email ID. Means of course here my email ID is there, but last time what we have do last time. We means storing information through we have done or yeah, we store all information through mail drive, right? But here this type of information is stored directly on cloud, which is for this purpose we got the username and password. We log in here. Okay, after logging, the second step is that by default on cloud web interface open to your file page. Okay, you can see here its own interface is open and add so you can add, remove, just 1 minute. Okay, so you can add, remove, make changes based on the access said by the, if you are administrator server or you are server administrator, you can access your own cloud files with own cloud web interface and create, preview, edit, delete, share, reshare. Your own cloud administrator has to option disable these features. So if them are missing, on cloud system asks your server administrator. Okay, so here you can add the, you can upload any file. Okay, like you can use, you can add it directly, right? Then you can make a share, save link. Then you can open after saving link, just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. So here directly this open, you don't require this. So here see distributed PPT is open. You can open here, you can share the link. So this is for the adding the particular devices, right? So here your demo. Okay, you created the password. So in this you can add folder which you have studied last time. Okay, so you can see here you can change the password and this also throughout this any. Okay, here given is there, you can change it also password and all. न्यू पासवर्ड also after login in, because पहले हमें ऑन क्लाउड पासवर्ड नहीं देता है, उसके बाद हम लोग खुद भी चेंजेस कर सकते हैं इसमें. ओके, सो दिस इज स्टोरेज पर्पस, वी आर यूजिंग स्टोरेज. अभी हम लोग का कुछ एक्सटर्नल स्टोरेज डिसेबल है बिकॉज मैंने कुछ भी स्टोर नहीं किया है, मैंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम इधर लॉग इन किया है. ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे स्टोर कर सकती हूँ ये शेयरिंग के लिए. अगर मैंने कुछ शेयर किया तो फिर मैं उसकी लिंक, जैसे मैंने आपको ईमेल उसमें लास्ट टाइम दिखाया था मैंने मेल आईडी में, मेल से कैसे स्टोर करते हैं इस टाइप पे हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं. सो सम कुछ एडिशनल फीचर्स दिया है यहाँ पे, राइट? सो यहाँ पे ये स्टोरिंग के लिए हम लोगों को ऑन क्लाउड गिवन है. ओके, इफ यू डायरेक्टली गो टू द फाइल्स, ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट योर प्रैक्टिकल ऑन क्लाउड में अपना कैसे हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं. देन वी कैन रिमूव आल्सो, डिलीट आल्सो, राइट. डिलीट फाइल्स गिवन, राइट. आप डिलीट कर सकते हो. ओके, सो ठीक है. सो फोटोज अपलोड कर सकते हैं, वीडियोस, डॉक्यूमेंट्स, ऑल आर यू कैन अपलोड हियर. Okay, share with you, share with others. You can share with you also particular files, and others also share links. Also, you can share the links. Last time मैंने आपको दिखाया था how to share link and all, right? So this is about on cloud. Okay, so today's lectures over here. This is our third practical which we have seen here. Okay, so today's lecture over here. Thank you.